are far away, and I am blue. What'll I do when I'm alone with only dreams of you that won't come true? What'll I do?
I really love Dorian. After all the things I've said about that woman, she still treats us to a winter holiday. Oh, Christmas in the Canary Islands. I wonder if we'll see any.
Any what?
Canaries. Well, they've got to have come from there. They wouldn't have called them the Canary Islands, would they?
Not necessarily. I mean, the Virgin Islands aren't full of virgins. Well, not since Dorian went there anyway.
Right, just time to make myself a bacon sarnie before we leave. You fancy one?
I can't go.
We've got syrup figs in the medicine cabinet.
No, I mean, I can't get on the plane.
Not that old fear of flying, is it? Look, just take a big swig of Dr. Doe's when we get on board, and by the time you wake up, you'll be surrounded by little yellow birds.
Mum, it's the middle of the night.
Oh, couldn't you sleep, Travis, love?
What, with all the racket you two are making?
You're worried about us going away, aren't you? I could still try and get you a flight. You can have my room, and I'll bunk in with Auntie Sharon.
I don't think so. I might get lucky.
Mum, I'll be fine.
Look, I just feel so guilty about leaving my baby at home.
You've had a baby?
You're my baby.
Mum, I'm 17.
Well, what if you get all lonely and sad?
No, I'll be a lot sadder if I have to go on holiday with 3 old ladies.
That told you.
Oh, what do you think?
Fabulous store. You look like a young Kim Kardashian.
And what about this? Too much?
No. No, not at all. I mean, a lot of people couldn't carry that off, but you do.
And these?
Stunning. Just so imaginative.
Oh, for God's sake, Sharon. The holiday's paid for. Just stop trying to be so nice. It's unnatural.
So what do you buy all this stuff for, then? Just to wind me up?
Only costs a few hundred. Now that my book royalties are flowing again, it's a mere bagatelle.
It's a bag of something.
That's better, Sharon. Much better.
I should have done a bigger shop. What are my boys going to eat?
Not this bacon.
Who's that? Carol singers?
Cheers, Mum.
Oh, Garth. I should have guessed.
You been out all night, Garthy?
Well, you know what they say, early worm catches the bird.
Well, that's not exactly what they say.
I brought one home with me, is that all right, Mum?
Well, I won't know until I've seen her. Where are you hiding her?
In this box.
What is she, a contortionist?
Feast your eyes on this. Ta-da!
Oh, my God, what is it? An ostrich?
No, it's a pigeon.
Don't be stupid.
A pigeon stuffed in a chicken, stuffed in a capon, stuffed in a goose, all stuffed in a turkey.
You are joking.
You mean you've never heard of a 5-bird roast?
Oh, there's a taxi. Come on.
Oh. You might as well have this, girl.
I'm just going to go and change. I'll only be an hour.
Cheers, Dor. You've saved me bacon.
Gretton Door's bought enough luggage.
No, but it's a budget airline. Just making sacrifices.
Where are the porters?
What are you doing?
Just a little marketing. Let's put them up where they belong.
Who do you think you are? Banksy?
This way they can't send them back to the publisher.
That lady's scribbling in the book.
Lovely. Oh, and we're going to have some condoms. What sizes have you got? The bigger the better, know what I mean? Just kidding. I'll have a dozen. Might get lucky, eh? Need the change, love? Feeling flush?
I'll call the chain. Have you got a bottle of Dr. Doe's, please? Only I'm a really nervous flyer, and someone told me that a couple of swigs of this knocked me out of hydration. Sorry if I'm talking too much, but I'm a really nervous flyer. I already said that, didn't I? Sorry. All right, Trace? Not really.
She's a really nervous flyer. £10.99 for some after sun. We do this for a quid.
We do anything for a quid.
Pamela? Sonia? Hello? Oh, my God, darling.
Shut
Oh, you. Oh, my God. You get married. I didn't even know you was pregnant. it. We're going to Tenerife and all.
How do you know? Oh. You got in there?
This and that.
They made you pay for all those books you defaced, didn't they?
I'm going to the executive lounge to take refuge from the riffraff.
Riff-raff, who died and made you queen?
Do I know you?
I'm Sonia. You tried sacking me from World of Quid for nicking picnics. No hard feelings, eh?
We've got time for a cocktail. Oh.
I just hope they're not on our flight.
Oh, this would be a nice surprise for Sharon. You do gift wrapping?
My mum won't be back until the 30th. I know, it's brilliant. Mate, this Christmas will make the in-betweeners look like Sound of Music. Nah, it's just me and my brother. His girlfriend shoved off back to Australia.
Do you want a hand with them lights?
I'll call you back. Sorry, mate. I didn't see you there. What I said about Marcy.
It's true. She did shove off back to Australia.
You never said, you know, why. Just homesick.
So she said. But I was never much cop at long-term relationships. First few months, always brilliant. Basically, you only get out of bed to order pizza, do you know what I mean?
Not really.
Then you realise you've got nothing in common except you don't like anchovies. What do you mean, not really?
I've just never had, you know.
What? Anchovies?
No. It.
You have never had it. Bruv, this has got to change. I'm going to make sure that my little brother has a Christmas to remember. Chantel, Garth, your little stud muffin.
How comes you've got extra leg room? I like you've got extra legs.
Remind me how much you paid for your seat, Sharon.
Sorry, Joel.
Party, party, party! Oh, you mean today's lovely lady? Nice and cosy. Who'd have thought we were buying condoms together, eh?
Tracy Stubbs.
Would you mind wiggling your bottom, Tracy?
You want a fat lip?
You sitting on my prong? Well, it's the only reason we have to wear these. In the event of a crash, it's easier to identify the corpses.
Their eyes met over the superb caviar canapes, which were the signature pre-dinner nibbles of Air on a G-string, the world's sexiest airline. Business or pleasure, he inquired, a naughty twinkle in his clear blue eyes.
Excuse me, would you mind not reading aloud?
Oh, no, I'm not reading, I'm writing. Well, actually, I'm dictating. Maybe you've heard of my first book, 60 Shades of Green. Maybe your wife.
I'm not married.
Widowed. Divorced.
Gay.
You're interrupting a private conversation, Sharon.
I know.
So, you now know what I do. How about you?
I work for the airline.
Guy.
This is Captain James Banner welcoming you aboard Flight 8212 to Tenerife. Unfortunately, our takeoff has been slightly delayed due to fallout from yesterday's Sahara Desert sandstorm.
Oh, my God.
Please calm yourself. There's nothing to worry about.
How do you know?
I'm chief engineer for the airline. I can assure you these planes have an exemplary safety record.
Don't crash often, then.
No, just the once.
What side are you on?
I was in Australia, but now I am back. I'm buff and I am ready to party. Be just like old times. You, me, and a bottle of tequila. Oh, when's it due? Really? Well, congratulations. You can call him Jesus.
Enough one bites the dust then.
That's 6 loved up, 5 moved away, and 1 sex change.
He was up for it, though.
This bit creases me up. Place the oxygen mask over your face and breathe normally. It ought to say, place the mask over your face and scream hysterically as a plane plummets from the sky.
How did that happen?
I don't usually fly budget, but there's nothing like real-life experience to get the creative juices flowing. For instance, it just occurred to me that Foxy, my alter ego, might join the 50-foot high club.
Which?
It's like the Mile High Club. If that you do it while the plane is still on the ground, what do you think?
I don't read a great deal of fiction.
Oh, that's not what I mean. I always research my books thoroughly, because you can't beat the snack of authenticity, if you get my drift.
You mean...
Don't say another word. I'll go to the you-know-where. You take a few seconds, and then casually slip in. Oh, Captain Jonathan, pilot my plane. Little did the passengers realise that the flight's delay was not the result of some fictional sandstorm, but of the very real sex storm raging in the first-class lavatory. Toilet. Bathroom. Decide later. As Foxy and Captain Jonathan wrestled each other's clothes off with wanton abandon. Oh, Foxy, this is good. Where's he got to? Hello? Jonathan? Jonathan? Anybody? Hello? Let me out!
What's that banging?
Hello?
That's Victorian. What's she doing in there?
Hello?
Assuming the brace position, I expect.
I have never been so humiliated. Not since.
Last time you were humiliated?
Trollope.
I beg your pardon.
3 across. Victorian novelist, contemporary of Dickens.
Oh.
Tart.
What?
3 down, acid dessert.
How did you make that out?
Well, tart is a dessert, and an acid remark is tart. Right, 7 down. What's left over after a coal mine closes?
Unemployed miners.
Slag.
That's it.
Nothing to do now. If I borrow your Danielle Steele trace?
It's in my case. I'll get it. You wait there. Hold on.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Captain Banner speaking. On behalf of Air Today, I'd like to apologise for the delay, but I've just heard from Air Traffic Control that we have at last been cleared for takeoff. So can you all please return to your seats, fasten your seatbelts, and switch all electronic devices to flight mode.
That includes your Korean love egg stall.
In addition, can you make sure your tray table is folded away, your armrests are down, and your seats in an upright position. Senior cabin members, doors are automatic, cross-check.
All passion slaked, Foxy enfolded him in her slim yet well-toned arms and whispered, "Something wet and sticky just hit me in the face."
You need to work on your dialogue.
No, something wet and sticky really did just... Now it's on my hair! Stewardess! Stewardess!
You again. What now?
Up there, something's leaking.
The fuel line's fractured.
I'm sure it's nothing, sir. Is this anyone's? Anybody's?
What's that smell?
Almonds. It's probably just sun oil. I will investigate further, though.
Don't lie to us. Everyone knows what the smell of almonds means. Plastic explosives. It's a bomb!
So you got your leg over him after all.
What's happened, Dor? You've gone all little.
Because that awful stewardess made me abandon my favourite shoes.
Who cares about shoes? The plane can explode any second.
Oh, no! I've got 10 grand's worth of jewellery in my bag!
You ain't.
No, of course I ain't. But insurance don't know that, do they?
What's he doing?
Taking the suspect device away to destroy it, obviously.
That ain't a suspect device. That's Sharon's Christmas present.
What? You're giving her explosives?
Don't be stupid. It's bath stuff. So you brought air traffic to a standstill over half of Europe?
Unbelievable.
Oi! It's your fault, not Tracy's. We'd be on the beach by now. If you hadn't reacted like an hysterical little schoolboy.
Everybody, we're trying to get you all booked on a rescheduled flight tomorrow.
I hope so.
Except you. I can assure you, you will never fly Air Today again.
Goodwill to all men.
Hang on a minute.
What was all that about?
The cow was wearing my Manolos.
So now what? All back to mine. Ours.
You said there were going to be chicks, bitch.
They're just not here yet, all right?
You keep saying that, bitch, but I'm starting to think you're just jiving with me.
Why does he talk like that? Where's he from, anyway?
Basildon Newtown. He's watched Breaking Bad 13 times.
15 times, bitch.
The choice was between coming here and going carol singing round my nan's rest home. I think I made the wrong decision.
I remember Christmas in the bad times, when Lithuania suffered under the communist yoke. There was no joy, no food, no drink, no internet. This is worse.
What is wrong with you lot? We've give you free booze, unlimited tortilla chips.
You promised us hot chicks?
Have a look. Fresh meats. You're getting married, remember? Not till next week.
Where'd they come from?
I have no idea. Father Christmas?
Mum? Why aren't you in the Canaries?
Because I missed you too much. Come here.
Mum.
Oh,
She hijacked the plane and flew it to Chigwell.
good job we did come back when we did. This place looks like a bomb's hit it.
Don't you mention bombs to me.
Hello. Who might you be?
This is my mate Jonas from Lithuania.
Oh, Lithuania. Land of lakes and balalaikas. Believe it or not, I am actually part Lithuanian, on my grandmother's side.
I do believe it. I can see it in your eyes, in your coloring, in your hair.
That's not strictly her hair.
Yes, you are the image of my grandmother. Babushka.
BK Bush fan, is he?
You are actually suffocating me. I can't breathe. Can you let me go?
Garvey! How are we going to get to eat? We're all starving.
Well, we weren't exactly expecting you. I could do the 5-bird roast.
That'll take hours.
Not on a barbecue.
Nice one, bro.
You can't barbecue a whole turkey.
Mum, Garth did it last Christmas on Bondi Beach. It's on YouTube.
3,000 likes. It is a piece of cake. You fill the barbecue with oil, get it to boiling point, slide in the turkey, 10 minutes, job done.
Are you sure?
Trace, Garth's a trained chef. What could go wrong?